Mother 4-bedroom unit here in St. Luke Executive Homes. Welcome to Bernice 4.0. Nasa likod ko po ngayon ang ating napakalawak na carport na kasya ang dalawang sasakyan. At ang ating pocket garden na pwede rin gawing porch area. Tara, pasukan natin ang loob ng ating modern Bernice unit. Dito sa ating Bernice unit na merong countertop at working cabinets. This area po will be your cooking area kung saan kami po natin yung burner. And this area po, dito nyo po pwedeng tagayin yung 2-door refrigerator. And this will be our first bedroom here in ground floor. Pwede nyo na gawing maid partner or having another guest room. And our first bedroom, pwede mo dito another couple laboratory, toilet and bath and shower. Tara, check natin ang taas. Welcome to our family hall dito sa Bernice 4.0. This will be our common bathroom here in second floor. Na meron na rin syempre laboratory, toilet and bath, and shower room. Our bedroom 2. With working windows para well-ventilated ang ating kwarto dito sa ating bedroom 2. Their bedroom 3. Na syempre, meron ding windows para well-ventilated ang ating bedroom dito sa ating bedroom 3. Our master's bedroom. Meron 3 windows saan magandang airflow ng ating bedroom dito sa ating master's bedroom. Malapit tayo sa ating balcony. This is our balcony. Look at that view. Kaya itong tumambay, mag-relax kasi napakahangin po dito sa ating St. Luke Executive Homes.